Hi, I'm Dorothy Kelty with Raccoon Alley Creations, and I had a knee replacement surgery on June 5th. I'm getting back to normal, and I'm able to get into the craft room where I have my setup for videotaping now, which is a good thing. So I have my sister Mary's been here taking care of me, and she's helped me, which means she mostly did it, get a bunch of stuff out of the craft room onto the kitchen table, and we've been doing some crafting. But I wanted to show you this journal. Now, my friend Kelly sent a journal kit to both Mary and I. And I, of course, included things that were not in the kit. I did do a flip through of Mary and I opening the kits, so I will be linking that below so you can see just what she gave us. But meanwhile, here's the journal I made, and it's been fun. Kelly included some great papers, and she also included the box. And as you can see, I hope you can see, I've got 3 signatures in it. So the height was a little less than the 8.5 of a normal page folded over, so I trimmed things down. And I also used a lot of things that I had made before for different things. So here we are starting this, and on the inside I've got this, a pocket with several different tuck spots in it. Here's an envelope, and you also can tuck behind the envelope. And this little envelope has a little card inside, nothing fancy, just an image on cardstock. And then we have this page. This is on a bag. I just thought this bag was so beautiful. And then in it I have this. So this is folds out to lots of journaling space. I thought that was really cute design. And then this page. Now these printouts, most of them are from LineDotArrow, but not all of them, okay? So here we have this little advertising postcard was one of the things that Kelly gave me. And then I have this corner tuck. I like corner tucks. This is just some scraps braided so that you have writing space here if you want it. And then this is the back of the corner tuck. I make these a lot of times out of envelopes, although this is a digital. So, and then this page, like I said, I'm not sure where all of these are. Here we have a window pocket with a cute little journaling card in there. And then the film strip made into a belly band. I put a lot of either scripture or quote cards in this just because I liked it. So I'm not going to read them all to you. I made this for somebody special, and a lot of the things that I picked were for her. So music paper, this is from Kelly. Here's a card that I had. And just some paper on the back for a journaling spot. And this is a tuck spot. So I've got some tickets and lace and ribbons and all kinds of things put on this for that. This is the Kathleen Maurer is the one who introduced me to these peekaboo pockets, but I just love them. And then you have so much journaling space if you want to use the journaling space, and meanwhile there's a cute little tuck. I made this is journaling space here, but I glued the doily down on this coffee or tea stained paper. So here's another, just a corner tuck, belly band type thing, just out of some tickets with a little bit of decorations glued to it. Very simple design. Over here we have, this is part of this page, center of the signature, and I have this tucked in here. So this comes out, and then this also is the tuck spot here. So put it back in here. I'll put it back in a minute. Okay, and this is a white bag, but it's great for journaling on, and I liked it. So I like the fact that it's a little bit see-through as well. So a lot of times this is just a sticker with something cute at the top of the page. Here's 3 pockets with 3 different quote cards in them. And this is a hidden paper clip. You see the back of it right here. This is an envelope back here, so something else could be tucked in there. A little secret message or note to yourself. And these cards, I just printed them on cardstock, and then I added something in the bottom left-hand corner, so it's all consistent. Here's this page with a music page pocket and a quote in it. And again, blessings brighten when we count them. Okay, now I have just a little corner tuck. I like tucks better than pockets because I think they're more versatile. You can put more in them. But a lot of times I'll like to glue them on the outside of the page because it helps keep them from falling out. Okay, music page, this is the other half of the music page. And this was where the page folded out. And so I just added this woman on both sides. So here we have a belly band, some simple decorations, more journaling here, and of course on the back of the cards. These cards are all blank, so you can easily journal on the back of them. So this is another hidden paper clip. Here is either avocado or beet dyed paper. So, and then here's the other end of the signature. This pocket opens from the top. So, and then of course I've got the lace on it. I was having a good time decorating the outsides of this. So this was another page that Kelly sent, and this is a little bag, a silverware bag. So very simple, I just have tucked in it. This is a kit from Natalie called vintage cards. So I printed them on cardstock, and then I just, this quote is just put in there. It's not even glued on the back or anything. Another hidden paper clip on this page, and then another card, so on cardstock. I like this cardstock. I bought it before, and it comes in different colors in the package, but I like the more neutral colors, mostly. More paper. Here I just added some lace onto the edge of this paper. I got a whole bunch of lace from Kelly, and I did not use it all. So this page is just folded up on the bottom instead of being cut down to make a pocket here. So my friend is going to be able to either glue things into this or write on it, whatever she wants to do. Here's another one of those tuck spots, and again, like I said, it's glued on the outside to keep things from falling out. And this page is just folded over to make a side tuck there. Okay, now this is a tuck spot, but I don't have anything behind it. I printed on some plastic sheets, and I think they're pretty, and it shows through this background, so my friend can tuck it in. This is a cluster with just something tucked into it. Blessed are those who can laugh at themselves, for they shall never cease to be amused. So lots of fun things. Again, some more of Natalie's kit that I love. I think I've just about got to the point where I'm going to need to print some more out. Here's the back of that paper bag. So, and then this is this page with it folded over and a cluster. Now, a lot of times with the clusters, I'll leave them so that things can be tucked up in there, but they don't have to be. They can just be a decorative page as well. This is the simplest belly band, just 2 ribbons, one glued on top of each other. And I think it turned out really pretty. So here's a pocket. This was in Amazon packaging envelopes. I think it was Amazon. Anyway, brown envelope. There was 2 brown paper, craft paper together, and this was in the middle when you tore it apart, and it's just such a wonderful texture, so love using it. More pages from Kelly, and again, I just folded it up. I added just a ribbon to the top and little something, so very simple decorations, but I like them. So this is another corner tuck. This one, again, from an envelope. You can see the inside there. And I just, instead of leaving it rectangular, I just cut a curve on it and stuff for the corner. Make it pretty. Okay. Now this is the other half of the silver envelope, and it actually slipped when I was growing it in, so this was taller than I meant it to be, but it works fine either way. And here we are in the 3rd signature, so just very simple decoration. An altered paper clip here hanging off the end and some ribbon through the holes in this line page. This page just folded up with a pocket in it, so that's nice. Music paper glued onto the back of tissue paper. And I used glue stick to glue this on, but I obviously didn't get it everywhere because I've got some bubbles, but I think they're okay. So another one of those peekaboo tuck spots, corner tuck spots here. And here we have a belly band with just some bits and pieces, and this just, instead of closing it like an envelope, I left it open with notes so you can take notes inside. A little bit of hidden journaling there. Another corner tuck. Most of the time these are made out of envelopes, but this was a digital envelope and I just cut the piece off of it and used it that way. Okay, here's a guest check decorated, collaged on. This, I can't remember who this, it's gonna come to me. I'll put a link below to this digital kit. I think that was a freebie from a kit, but really pretty. I just covered, decorated the bottom of this where there was a logo for the company that makes that paper. And I think it's Stamping Up, but again, a corner tuck, and this time I secured it with a hidden paper clip. Okay, another hidden paper clip here. I actually really enjoy making the hidden paper clips. So just simply center fold it up to make pockets. Here we have, this is a accordion piece with some things stuck in there. Little decoration. So the square and the square, these kind of complement each other. Okay, here I put 2 pieces on it, but and I just extended this a little bit with this piece of strip of leftover tag with the music just to add a little bit of decoration on it. And here I folded it over and just glued down where the holes were punched and where it's been torn out of the book. So it makes a better edge, I think. Here, this has just a little corner tuck on it. So, and this is a side tuck instead of a belly band. This tucks in. These are silverware envelopes, and I have gotten some of these from Two Sister Jam. I pick them up in restaurants when I see them. My sister has sent me some. Get them all kinds of places. So here we go with the other half of the coffee paper. This is a hidden journaling spot, so if you get it lined up, you can barely see it's there until you pull it out. So there we go. You can journal both sides and on the inside. Again, we have a very simple page decoration here, just some strips of washi tape glued down, and this was on the digital. again, a little collage in the corner just to decorate it. And the other half of the piano roll paper. And again, we have, this was a piece of digital just folded in half the long way and then sewn in this way. And again, on the back, we have a multi-pocket tuck spot here. So just decorated a Giant's ticket. And there's also a tuck spot in the back. So anyway, I am very happy with the way this journal turned out, and I'm very grateful to Kelly for sending me the kit. It was so much fun working with it. And do kind of check out at least the beginning of the flip through where Mary and I were unwrapped these gifts and went through this kit. She used a cracker box and she put handles on it so you can hold it. It was just really an adorable kit the way she did it. So thanks, Kelly. Thanks everybody for watching.